Hello and welcome back to the InMusic Brand support channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Alesis portable keyboard and its included stand, bench, and accessories. This video applies to various Alesis portable keyboards, including the Harmony, Talent, and Melody models. In this video, I'll be setting up an Alesis Talent 61. Before we get started, make sure your keyboard and all its accessories are completely unboxed, and any packing materials and protective plastic are removed. First, let's assemble the bench. When you take it out of the box, the bench will be folded like this. With the cushion facing downward, grab the corners of both legs and bring them upward until they form a narrow X shape. Then slide the unsecured leg into the fasteners on the bottom of the cushion until it snaps into place. Before positioning the bench on the floor, turn the knob clockwise until firm to secure the legs. Now that you have a place to sit, you'll need a spot to put the keyboard itself. Let's assemble the stand next. The keyboard stand consists of the following parts: the X-frame, 2 bottom support bars with plastic feet, 2 top support bars, which are shorter than the bottom support bars, 4 rubber support bar caps, 2 keyboard strap locks, and 4 hex socket screws with an accompanying Allen wrench. First, position the X-frame upright and upside down. The pull knob should be below the silver hinge bolt. Grab the bottom support bars and 2 hex screws. Using the Allen wrench, fasten the top support bars to the bottom of the X-frame's legs. Now, flip the stand upright and move the legs apart from each other until the pull knob locks into place in the disc clutch. Next, grab the 2 top support bars, and using the 2 remaining screws and Allen wrench, fasten each top support bar to the top of the X-frame. Now that the stand is assembled, let's mount the keyboard on it and secure it using the strap locks. First, using the pull knob and disc clutch, adjust the height and width of the stand so it's wide enough to stably accommodate your keyboard and is at a comfortable height for playing while sitting on the bench. On the bottom of your keyboard, you'll notice 2 threaded holes at the far left and right. Grab the strap locks and screw them into these holes. Next, place the keyboard on the stand and slide the loops of the strap locks onto the top support bars. Finally, grab the 4 rubber caps and firmly slide them onto the ends of each top support bar until they are securely in place. This will help keep your keyboard stable and prevent the strap locks from sliding off. Let's wrap up by connecting your keyboard's power cable and accessories. Plug one end of your keyboard's power supply into the power jack and plug the other end into a power outlet. Then press the power button to turn it on. To use your keyboard's included microphone, first connect it to the 1/8" mic jack. And as long as the main volume is turned up above 0, you'll hear anything you say or sing into the microphone through your keyboard's internal speakers. To use your keyboard's included headphones, connect them to the 1/8" phones jack. And now anything you play on the keyboard or say into the microphone will play through the headphones. Note that when headphones are plugged into this jack, you won't hear any keyboard or microphone audio play through the keyboard speakers. Finally, your keyboard comes with a music rest. Simply insert it into the holes on the back of the keyboard to mount it. As always, you can head over to alesis.com/support to access the Alesis knowledge base, where you can find helpful walkthroughs on how to use your Alesis keyboard, as well as a portal to reach out to the Alesis technical support team for further assistance. Have fun exploring everything your Alesis keyboard has to offer. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you next time.